I was kindly gifted this wrapping paper cutter and tape dispenser set. And with the holidays coming up, this has already made wrapping gifts so much easier. If you're like me and you're always juggling the paper and the scissors and the tape, this little tool right here actually helps keep everything together in one place. It comes as a 2-pack, and you also get 4 rolls of tape and 2 extra blades. So you can set up more than one wrapping station, keep one as a backup, or even give one as a gift. What I really like is how the cutter slides right along the wrapping paper roll. Instead of trying to hold the roll down or keep your cut straight, you just glide it across and it gives you a clean, even cut every time. And the tape dispenser is built right into the design. So once your paper is cut, you can grab a piece of tape with one hand and secure everything without fumbling around. It definitely speeds things up, especially when you're wrapping multiple gifts in a row. Whether you're wrapping for the holidays, a birthday, or you're just stocking up ahead of time, this set is one of those tools that make the whole process easier. It's simple, compact, and it really helps take the stress out of gift wrapping. I definitely recommend checking it out.